Well, Kuzu Zangpo and welcome back to Vibes by Ugen. It's been a while since I haven't posted on my channel, so today I'll be posting something special which I'm going to unbox it later. By now, you guys have known what I'm going to be unboxing, so keep watching guys. Tadera de my unbox baby. Let's see what's inside the box. So I hope you guys will enjoy. Keep on watching. So yes guys, this is what I'm going to be unboxing today. I got the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 creator combo, and let's unbox this and see what's inside. But before that, so in the box there is a Osmo Pocket 4, the camera itself, then gimbal clamp, handle with 1x4 thread, carrying back, portable carrying pouch, and fill light, wide angle lens, transmitter, magnetic clip, magnetic charging cable, magnet aimant, windscreen, and mini tripod as well, wrist strap, and USB-C 3.1 cable. So basically, compared to DJI Osmo 3, the good thing is it has an inbuilt of 107 GB, okay, which is the inbuilt, and I can also see that there is a fill light which the DJI Osmo 3 doesn't have. And yep, let's see what's inside guys. So I don't have a small knife, so I'll use a scissor. Why is it so hard to open? Oh yeah, I think I opened it guys. So basically it's costing like around, let's keep it 2000 AED, which is almost like around 50,000 Bhutanese niltrum. 50,000 de chone me. So here you go guys, let's open it. So yes guys, I got two windshield over here for the microphone, okay, and this is the new one, the fill light. I need to watch a fill light in there, so I can clamp it on the Osmo itself. I don't know if it is charged or not. Oh yeah, it looks good. Let me check later on, so I'll just keep it here and put it in the pouch. Okay, and then next we are watching, okay, another watching microphone clip in again, so you can clip it over here wherever you like. Oh yes, the DJI microphone compared to the Osmo 3, it is a bit smaller, and it's chunkudu and the chiga chip. So this is the one microphone, and I got the pouch, fill light, magnetic clip, and then what is this? I think it's the handle width. Okay, so under the handle width in there, you can put a tripod over here. Tripod do. You connect to your camera and handle at the RAM zoom in. Okay. So the tripod that's easy. If they can make it a little bit longer, and it's a RAM so that like we can extend and then bit back to it has lots of things inside. Oh yeah, this is the wide angle lens, so if you are going to film it the whole panoramic view, then I think this will work. Okay, and that's the handle, I mean like the thread, and USB-C charger with the cable, and last but not the least, the uncle himself. Okay, let's introduce him as the uncle. Oh my god, look how handy it is. Should I take it off? Ta-da! Okay, done. Remove before use. So so let's see how this thing works. Okay, I will remove this, and then okay, once you turn it on, it's on. Okay, the camera is not seeing over here because this is I've closed the lens. Okay, so here you go guys, it's written in Chinese right now. Okay, you can see me, right? So I'll just try to change the language over here. So yeah, I will do it in a while guys. So for now, this is all I get in this small bag. Okay, so this is the final unboxing of DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo Pack. I mean, it's a lot, right? It's a lot. Chala chak pe halam chidute. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I mean, like, it's not a very good one, but I was just unboxing my camera. So let's see, from tomorrow onwards the video will be coming from DJI Osmo Pocket 4 guys. So I hope you guys will enjoy the vlog tabijana. So thank you very much guys, and have a very good day and have a very good morning, whatever. See you.